So the first tool that I want to show you and bring up is the templates. With the templates, what you're able to do with those is select an object that you're going to create. So if you're, creating a backpack or creating a design for a backpack or baggage tags or a t-shirt, you can see there's a bunch of predefined templates that are here. So what it allows you to do is it really just gives you a guide. So let's say, for example, I'm going to create a baseball shirt. I'm going to select the baseball shirt, and you can see that the templates are for reference only and will not be saved with your project. So what it does, it gives you a guide. So it shows you the size of the shirt or the working area. So if you're going to put the name of the team, and maybe on the back you're going to put the number, in our logo, it kind of lets you really size and gives you a visual for the size of a t-shirt, because you can see up top my grid has changed for my spacing. So you can see that I have, basically in the US working in inches, I have basically 28 inches, from the far left over here at 00 over to the right side of the shirt. So if I'm working in this area, you can see that I've got about 8 inches of space to work with, or maybe, 16 inches or so within this area. And it also depends on the size of the shirt. So some of the templates you can see have many different options. So I can choose a kid shirt, 3/4 sleeve, so you can see the size of the shirt changes. I can select men's or women's, as well as what size. So if I wanted to go custom or medium or extra large or large, you can see that it will change the size of that template. So that's going to help me with placement of my, text or graphics. You can also change the color over here if you want to make it, a different color. And that way you can see, if you're putting white, you can see the white on the darker black background. Right? So many different options for templates. You can also search for them. You can choose the different categories as well. If you click over down here, so like if you click off of the edit bar and you want to modify the template, over to the right under the layers, you'll see that the template's down at the bottom. If I select on that, you can see that I can change the information again. So here's where I can, come in and make it white, different color, or change the size for my project. I can also just turn it off if I don't want to see it. So I can use a little eyeball here, left click on that, and that will turn off your template.